This is another beach in Torremolinos, Spain. This is Playamar. Yep, that's what this beach is called. And it is the second beach I visit in Torremolinos today, and the fifth in total, as the first three I visited today were in Malaga, and this is the second one in Torremolinos. So fifth beach adventure of the day. It is 8th of December, 2:30 p.m. 18 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the water. And yeah, it's a beautiful December sunny day. And in these episodes from Malaga region, I am telling you about different interesting facts about the cities that I visit. And as now I'm in Torremolinos, as you can see, I'm going to tell you one fact for this city. It is that 21% of the population of the city is international, Spanish, and makes that the city has 120 different nationalities that live here in the city. That's out of the sea. So very multicultural, as there are many expats that have chosen to live here in Torremolinos. And it is quite nice city, as I can see, and it's right next to the Malaga International Airport. It's very convenient for traveling. And yes, this beach is so sandy, and it seems that it's quite popular during the summer months. Now all the sunbeds and umbrellas and sports activities have been removed, but I see there are very nice apartments over there with sea view. I wouldn't mind. Definitely not. So yes, it has been quite a long day already. I have gotten up at 2 a.m. to catch my flight that was at 5:45. And okay, my staff started to to be taken away by the wind, so I needed to make an intervention. So sorry for that. We're gonna continue very soon. Yes, I fixed my phone. So the wind doesn't blow them away while I'm enjoying the sea. As I was saying, it's been a long day, but it feels so great as I have gotten some sleep during the flight, which I usually don't do actually. I was surprised of myself, but that sleep I needed in order to explore these many beaches today. And yes, Torremolinos, and this is Playamar, another beach exploration in the books. And I have a few more beaches to visit today also as well. So, yep, very interesting and very adventurous December this is. It is my first time both in Malaga and Torremolinos, so I'm looking forward to see also some of the interesting sites here. There are a lot actually. So, yep, then we are ready to take a swim. Let's go! So nice and amazing. So beautiful. This is heaven. Beach adventure in December. Cool. Thanks a lot for watching this episode from Torremolinos, more specifically from Playamar Beach. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!